Hi, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Haley Santella, and I lead the product marketing and customer marketing divisions here at Whiparound. In today's video, we are going to be unwrapping 2024. So we're going to be covering all of the gifts that we have given you throughout the last 12 months. We're going to be looking at feature releases and product improvements. To start us off, I do want to say a big thank you to our customers. Without your constant support and feedback, we wouldn't have been able to do it without you. Now, the first thing I have on my list is purchase orders, and this new feature really allows you to track the inventory process from start to finish, all the way from order to receipt. And this is all within the same application that you're already using to track your inspections and your work orders. This means that it really eliminates the need for an additional one-off tool, and it gives you that seamless access to historical data records all wrapped up in the same application. External work orders and defects are next, and the addition of external work orders and defects really allow you to collaborate with third-party shops, and everyone gets to keep and maintain their preferred workflow. This is truly an efficiency booster, and it feels like holiday magic, making it even easier to keep a comprehensive set of records. Getting to an asset inspection and pulling up inventory details was completely transformed this year with barcode scanning. The ability to scan barcodes gives you the efficiency boost you've been waiting for all year. And this year's introduction of barcode scanning completely revolutionized asset inspections and inventory management. This feature allows you to quickly scan barcodes and access the data you need, driving even more efficiency and minimizing potential errors. Now, are you still looking for ways to optimize efficiency? We thought so. That's why we also gifted you Multilanguage Capabilities. The Whiparound mobile app now supports Spanish, enabling many of our users to work in their preferred language. Cross-functional teamwork has never been easier. Now, we know that reporting and getting the data you need is extremely important, and that's why our reporting tool saw several upgrades this year, including our new wallet reporting and the ability to automate the sending of scheduled reports. It's all part of our focus on empowering users with better data analytics to drive more informed decision making. Custom Fields was a highly anticipated feature that made its grand entrance this year, and it allows you to include tailored fields for your specific asset data. This feature enables you to create a workflow that suits your needs, and it ensures that you have the necessary data at your fingertips. In 2024, we also introduced Single Sign-On, or SSO. This is a major security upgrade that allows users to enhance their security and safeguard their critical business data. Who doesn't want a little extra peace of mind as we embark on a new year? Now, as for the techier side of things, we added DTC fault management for our API users. This feature is a customer favorite as it allows you to manage whether your integration is sending DTCs, and it gives you the flexibility to obtain the data that you need. Now, the mention of APIs leads me into what I want to talk about next, which is the fact that in 2024, we introduced over 20 new integrations, allowing you to connect with other software providers seamlessly. These integrations enable smooth data transfer, creating a user experience tailored to your needs. This is just a glimpse into what the future will hold, and it's looking incredibly bright. And lastly, to our customers, thank you for your continued support, feedback, and engagement throughout the year. If you haven't had a chance to use some of these features, we highly encourage that you check them out and learn how they might improve your day-to-day workflow. Never hesitate to provide us with any feedback, suggestions, or improvements that you might think of. And finally, we wish you all a wonderful holiday season and a Happy New Year. Bye.